Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks if you're traveling or if you think to travel on Europe and you have no idea about this apart from YouTube video. One of the platform are providing you very detailed information, and that platform name is GetYourGuide. This platform are available for entire world, but in this video I am going through the how to deal with in Europe using this platform. This platform are absolutely free. Which types of features they are providing, which types of information, which types of map, which types of travel plan, we can see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a demonstration on laptop screen. So simply, first of all, you need to open here Google, and just inside the Google type here Get Your Guide. The first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description, and simply click here and look at this here, travel memory you never forget. If you use Get Your Guide platform, so definitely you're not missing anything. First of all, I will tell you this travel your guide is this platform available for Google Play Store and iOS Store also, so no need to visit every time in laptop and big screen. You can use your smartphone also. So as a demonstration point of view, I just simply open here one of the tourist attraction based on Paris, France, Eiffel Tower. So what is the new of this one? First of all, if you type just only Eiffel Tower here, bunch of different types of varieties also coming here. What is the price, how many hours you spend there, and what is new, what is look like new. If you go with this 1 and 2 hour, if you go with this click, so here bunch of pictures peoples are uploading here using this platform, and most of all like a free cancellation related informations are available here. Reserve now, pay later, duration, live tour guide, English, Spanish, and couple of other languages also. Highlight of this Eiffel Tower, full description is available here, so you can read those description, including access second floor, all information they are providing, not suitable for people affected high. The other informations also available. Still you are not happy, so you can see here customer review of this particular Eiffel Tower or this platform related information. Bunch of people are providing out of 5 reviews, so accordingly you decide. And then suppose for example I just simply select here Switzerland. So inside the Switzerland, how many tourist attraction is available, what is important, and how you track each and every tourist attraction. So we go with here randomly in Interlaken. So Interlaken, the paragliding flight with related features or tourist points is available, where you start, venue, food, boarding, and what is look like. So all informations are coming here, even the meeting points, review, detail, overview. Just simply select here your best tourist location, and accordingly you can gather bunch of information, and accordingly this information you can follow if you like. So you visit on this tourist attraction, otherwise skip it. This is one of the best help to guide as a tourist point of view. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.